Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I am on to one of the fronts on the little lilac cardigan I'm doing, the lacy garter. I think I'm just calling this lacy stripes. I'll have to think of a name for it. That one. So I've just cast off the first 3 stitches, and very hard to knit today because it's very warm. I think we are getting 32 degrees today. I think I'll just check my phone because it tells me what the temperature is at the time of day that you press on it. It's actually 30 degrees at the moment. And I'm hoping it's not going to be. It's got a lot of sunshine today. It hasn't been a lot of sunshine up till now, but we're getting a lot of sunshine later on, and it's going to be when I'm driving to my bingo night. So that's what I'm doing, what I can of this little bit knitting before I go out at around about 20 to 7 tonight. And that's a little bit of that I have got done, and I've finished the sleeve on this one. So I have the sleeve. I may take the other sleeve, this one, to the bingo with me tonight because it's an easier one. I don't have to think about it too much when I'm knitting it, so it's an easier pattern to do. I don't want the one where I've got to do either lacy stitches, or the other one that I'm doing. This one will be a little bit more complicated for the time that I have to do it while I'm in the bingo. So that's what I'm doing with this at the moment. And I have just found out that the young girl lives next door to me, my neighbour, has moved. I came in on, I was from my knitting natter on Monday. I didn't even know she had moved. Because I sit upstairs in my workroom most of the time, so I don't see what goes on out the front. I'll have to ask one of my neighbours, and they've probably seen the removal van and all that when they were going away. But when I came in from my knitting natter on Monday afternoon, there was a few people. There was a car parked outside, and looked like there was a lot going on inside the house. So some came out with vacuum things and bags, and so I spoke to one of the young girls. She wasn't English, it was very broken English she spoke. And I was asking her what they were doing, and she said they were clearing out the house for the council because it's empty. That was when I found out my neighbour had moved. Don't know whether they've done a moonlight flit or what, but I have seen their car come back a couple of times, but I haven't seen who's been in it when they must have been in the house. But they've left the back garden is full of all sorts of kids' toys. There's one of those trampolines. There's a lot of like garden furniture, like tables and seats and things like that they've left in the back garden. And there's a lot of kids' things in the front garden, like toys and another table and things. And they seem to have left all those things, which makes me wonder whether they've done a moonlight flit. But I did talk to the girl one time when we were there, and she was talking about they were going to buy the house from the council. So I don't know what's happened, whether they bought somewhere else But it just seems funny, all the things I've left in the garden when it sings for your kids, especially the age of her children. I think the baby's about 18 months, and then there's a little girl about 7, and an older boy about 9 or 10. And leaving the trampoline, which they hadn't bought very long ago. I know I remember them buying it and putting it in the garden not too long ago. And there's also like a slide, one of those things you climb up the ladders and down the slide. So I'll have to ask one of my neighbours, and so you know, when you're curious and you can't find out, they'll tell me probably know more than I do. Like I'm saying, I don't sit downstairs in my living room. I'm up in my workroom nearly all the time. The only time I'm in my living room is when I'm down tidying it up and vacuuming. I don't know why I bother vacuuming, I'm never in it. But you know, you get dust, you have to dust around and things like that. So that was just a little bit curiosity. Now I'm wondering what sort of neighbour I'm going to get in now, because it was very good with that young girl. There wasn't a lot, it didn't play. I've had neighbours before. I've had neighbour from hell next door. I hope I don't get someone like that next door to me again. They used to play music that loud. My pictures used to dance on the walls. That was the kind of neighbour I had before. So I'm getting a little bit worried, wondering what sort of neighbour I'm going to get in now, and hoping that it'll be all right. So anyway, I'm doing what bit knitting I can before I go down to make some tea for myself and away to the bingo tonight, and hope I'm winning again, because my coffers are getting a bit low again. I need some more to build them up. So I'll probably finish this here, and maybe start a little bit the other sleeve of the orange one, because once I get the other sleeve done, I can put it all together and put the bands on. That'll just something to put in my stock. I want to build up a few things before I start selling them. But I also like saying I want to have a good look through my book and see what other patterns I can sort out that I might be able to make a PDF of. And I hope it cools down before I go out to the thing. I can see it being a very muggy night tonight. And I didn't see much of the eclipse last night, because I don't have any of those glasses that you can watch it with, or whatever things, you know, you could do something with a cardboard box and that. I wasn't bothered about that. I just watch what the light gets like outside. It didn't really get that dark, but we didn't have a full coverage of the sun. It was about 92% or something like that. But by the time it cleared, it was starting to get, the light was starting to go anyway, so you wouldn't have noticed much really. But I'm not one, you know, people were going all over the place to sit places to watch the eclipse. I'm not that type of person. I don't follow around things like that. So anyway, that's my bit for today. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.